Introducing the Acer OJO 500, the next generation of Windows mixed reality technology. With a hard strap, the weight balances evenly, so you can move around as much as you like without it slipping out of place. Bring the sound straight to your ears with patented sound pipe technology. You don't need to bother with extra headphones. Even better, you're still aware of your real surroundings. The padding is like a comfortable pillow all around your head. It also guides the lens into position and keeps it there even when you flip it up. Storing and cleaning the lens is really convenient. You just take it off. What's your interpupillary distance? No idea what that is? Don't worry. It's easy to find out with an Android app. It does your work for you and makes sure you'll see everything clearly. The OJO 500 has two straps. Here's the soft version. Just like the hard strap, it's easy to adjust, remove, and clean. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. Use Steam VR to play thousands of games. There's no long, complicated setup requiring lots of space and equipment. If you're preparing for a trip to the virtual world, just pack the Acer OJO 500, the only device you'll need.